Angular 21.1 introduces a new standalone.isActive function to replace the now deprecated router method. This new function is signal-based and returns a signal representing a given URL state, active or inactive. This URL can be string or a URL tree and is checked according to the match options. These match options now only accept a configuration object, not a boolean. Boolean match options are no longer supported. An explicit router instance is also required as an argument. Now, it returns a boolean signal instead of a boolean directly. This signal can be used to react to changes, for example in computed signals or effects. In this example, we use two links to navigate between two URLs. The signal updates as the given URL matches or doesn't match the current router state. Match options let you control how two URLs compared, including path, query parameters, fragments, and matrix parameters. Exact requires a full match, subset allows a partial match, and ignored skips the comparison.